All right, folks, this is just an update. I came down to the river this week and didn't film anything. I'm just making a short update here. I finished stripping this floor here, and then I built this set of rolling shelves to get all the crap off the floor, and so I can move it around as I'm working through the house. And then I also dismantled the fan upstairs and put in this ceiling and a hatch to the upstairs because I don't want to draw upstairs air into the return vent, which is right there. Because it gets really, really hot up there. And so when we're running the AC, we don't want to, I'm most likely going to be the only one here. But if there's another person here, they won't be upstairs. So I just made this little temporary hatch so I can get up there if I need to. Anyway, that's where we're at. Didn't get a whole lot done this time, but it's now brutally hot outside. And I'm going to go ahead to see my mom. So anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.